So here we have the Hyundai i20 1.4 SE automatic on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. You can see the total miles for this car in the middle. They are 10,481. To the left-hand side of that will show what gear this car is currently in, so that's P for park. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, we've got cruise control, which you can set just here using these buttons. And on the left-hand side, we've got stereo controls. We've also got the ability to answer and end phone calls, and we have voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or your pocket. That is, of course, once you paired up your phone, and that is done over in the center just here by hitting phone and then following the instructions on screen. So add new, you'd press 2, and then just, as I say, follow the instructions from there. When it comes to radio in this car, you can see we have FM, AM and DAB all available. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Hit the media button. Nothing's connected at the moment, but you can connect up both USB and auxiliary devices, and as you can see, there's a CD player at the top just there. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning, so you can determine where you would like the air to blow from within inside the car. Fan speed, and then temperature over here on this dial. When you're happy with these settings, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, and of course the same again to turn it off. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set here, of course. And then you've got rear heated screen over on the right hand side. Underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket and the USB and auxiliary inputs that I mentioned previously. We have a fully automatic gearbox, and then finally this button here will turn on or off the parking sensors for the car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.